Okay, good morning. Today's Friday, and our history teacher is going to take the class to the nearby开漳圣王Temple to see the history of the temple, of the building, and also introduce the detailed culture history to them. And it remind me that a long time ago, my first class 318, that year 2008, I guess, I also followed my students to go to the temple. Okay, today is a beautiful day, so let's do it. See you, bye. 开漳圣王 refers to Cheng Wang, the founding ancestor of the Ming Kingdom and Zhanghua Fujian Province. Cheng Wang established the Ming Kingdom during the Five Dynasties period and is honored as开漳圣王, the sacred king of Zhangzhou, and he is recognized as the founder and the guardian deity of Zhangzhou city. And the开漳圣王Temple, as a tribute to开漳Sheng Wang, exhibits some distinctive features. These may include architectural style and altar or deity statues, and also the rituals and the ceremonies, and also the religious festival. And we'll talk about these topics, and these features collectively create a unique atmosphere at the开漳圣王Temple, attracting both worshippers and visitors to experience the local religious culture.
基本上老五都可以。白是用的孟加拉白
Okay, we have finished the开漳圣王Temple lecture and ready to go back to school. So happy morning. 靠右。Oh, what a ham chicken.